Hey y'all, welcome to my website. This is the homepage of my website. Just going to walk you through a few things in it. Here's my front page. Down below is just kind of a little bit about me and my family and kind of what this website is about. Along with that, I also have a blog page. I really enjoy blogging, and it's been fun that this website has been a place for me to kind of capture my learnings and all the things that I've done recently. It's been enjoyable for me to put my blog here, and I look forward to writing further even after this class. Also, this WordPress is also used as a portfolio for me. So I have different aspects of my work featured in this portfolio, and I look forward to using this as a reference for when I go to find a job following graduation. And lastly, I have a contact page. Kind of a little bit about me and if they want to get more information. Something that's a little unique about this is I am a passionate public speaker. I love public speaking with all my heart, and I've wanted to include presentation tips as part of my website. And so for this website, I'm going to be including information on presentations that might be helpful for other presenters in my blog as well as on my portfolio. That's something that is kind of unique to me, but I have found it something I'm very passionate about is public speaking. So my hope with that is to create a powerful opportunity for people to get information on how to create a successful blog and good presentation skills. And lastly, something that I've learned over the course of the semester is to just be incredibly thorough. It's been fun as I've worked in this class to learn all the different settings. There's so much that goes into just a simple WordPress website, but if we can pay attention to the details, there's so much that can be learned, and it will even look so much more professional. I'm really grateful I took this class because it's opened my mind to so many other things I had no idea about, but it's been extremely enjoyable, and I look forward to success using WordPress in the future. Thank you all.